So let's see the next question, and the next question is the number 8. This one should be simple. What is the output of the following code? We have this function, myPrint. It receives a string that is the message and a number n. Then we have a while loop, and while n is greater than 0, it will print the message. Also, we decrease the number n, okay? Then we call the function myPrint, and we provide the string a and the number 3. So the idea is to print the letter a 3 times, okay? So let's see the options that we have. And we have a 3 times. We have the option B, we get an error. The option C, we have a 2 times, and D, none of the above. Let me open the terminal and execute this, and we got a lot of A's. I have to force to stop this, okay? And let me close this, and the correct answer is D, none of the above, because we got an infinite loop, okay? So, what is happening? What we've missed here? We've missed code indentation. And what is this code indentation, by the way? It is the spaces at the beginning of a code line. In other programming languages, it is used just to make the code easier to read for us humans. But Python is different. It also uses indentation to indicate a block of code. What this really means? This means that in this specific case, we have two blocks of code. The first one is for our function, so everything that is forward belongs to the function, and the second one is for the while loop. Because n minus equals 1 is back, is not aligned with the print, it doesn't belong to the while loop. And once our while loop is started, the variable n never has the chance to be updated. Since n never changes, it will be always greater than 0, and our while loop will run forever.